Hi lovelies, it's your girl Rikishi, you know what's up. Just a small intro for this video. As you can see in the title, it's the biggest unboxing that I've ever done. It's Monster X mostly. Yeah, it's mostly Monster X and a few other stuff. But the thing is though, the footage that I made was originally made for TikTok, and since I don't have the original footage anymore, I kind of have to like cut in and like the parts that I made, I just put it all together. So it kind of looks messy, but the whole unboxing was messy, so yeah. I do really hope that you like the unboxing, even though it's really messy. But yeah, without further ado, here is the unboxing. Hello. Come to mama. 80s. Wow, why is this so hard? I don't know.
Eternity later.
Oh, yo. Hij is kapot groot! Wojo! Voor de kaart. Oh, there's a little pouch in it! Oh, for the batteries. 17. What? Stop. This is the thickest, like, handle. Stop. Whoa. Oh, there's stickers! How's your baby? Now you're skinned. The boys. Nice. Like that, I open and I see my mess. Hello. I have to translate all this on my. ODM. 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 Damn, show you. Damn. Damn. What's up? Hello, baby! It's my baby! His hair looks so good. Oh, show me. I love this picture. Ear look. Funny story. I literally asked Kpop Town on the notes when you order something. Can I please, if it's possible, get the I am version? Bitch! They gave you? They gave me the I am version! Really? You lucky? Stop! Stop! You're so lucky. The photo card in this one though! Oh! She's exploding. Please? Is there a photo card? There's a photo card in this one and it's... God. Oh, wait.
Oh, but you didn't get it?
I didn't get him! fine though. I got young one though. I think that's one. So that's fine. Hij had zo'n mooie voorkant! Nou! Ja, niet uit.
It's really funny though that you have the Changkyung version but you get another
photo card. Honestly though.
You'd be like, sure, I will give you the CD, but I won't
don't
give you the photo card.
Oh, let me give you this one too.
Yes, Mia.
Oh, cute. Wait, there's. There's two! There's two photo cards! Oh, I can see in the back. Oh, they're all of them. Do you have ear slippers? Stop!
You're very lucky.
Stop!
Let me see your man.
I know!
He's got Kpop boy!
I know!
Yeah, he's got Kpop boy! I mean, mustache. Not for mustache. Hij is wel echt heel mooi.
Rikishing. It's like aesthetically pleasing. Yes! Oh my god,
Dat is
stop.
mooi.
I love.
Weer op je man? Gelijk?
Oh, is dit een calendar?
No, I think that's
That's the calendar! Stop. Yo?
Oh joh?
Kapot mooi.
Dit was kapot goed bij de feit van je kamer. Bonus page for 18. I know you have to.
Start with the. I think this is the sexiest
I
skirt.
think I only.
I have the fronts. I don't know which side. Help me, help me. Okay.
Turn it out. Okay, okay, let's turn it out. Success! Okay, just have a look. Okay, you can do it.
Oh my.
You're killing me. Just kidding. It's okay, you won't die. How was that?
Was Joanna?
It is!
Ooh.
It's not okay. She's done.
I can't handle. No, sir, can you not? No. Can you not? Can, no. No. I need a drink.
Als je op een stoel had gezeten, had je gevallen.
Oh, dat sowieso. Dat sowieso. That's... Oh my god.
Ja, oké, die is. Show it to me. Ah, oké.
Okay.
Turn around. Oh, you bitch. Yeah. Turn around. Okay.
The fact that you're not saying anything doesn't make it any better. Any
Turn
better.
around. Okay, okay.
Okay. Oh my god. Stop! Do you want?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Stop!
You got me! You got me! if you get drawn again, I'm gonna go die over there.
Go die over there.
In the corner.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn it. Like this one.
Oh,
This
no.
one. Turn it. Okay.
Stop!
Turn it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you. Turn it. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you.
Stop!
And you're gonna die. Just look.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, get shooting again. Okay. Oh shit.
Mm-hmm. That one? Yeah. No.
Okay.
Look. No. The last one. Look. Bye.
I'm really dying. I was like, you're drawn again. If I get drawn again, you're gonna hit me. So. Okay, let go.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you're dead. Turn it around. Yeah, you're dead.
Stop!
Turn it around. Turn it around. You're kidding me!
I got you again. Got you on again. I can trade. I have enough to trade. Nice.
And again!
Nice.